Hello, guys. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening, all over the places you may be watching me from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I still remain your lovely Ovie Gabriel. As I've said before, that I will do the video and then explain how you can mine free renec. So I want to quickly describe as you can go about that. Now, click the link like this. Just click the link. The platform will come up. The link that you will see below the video. When it come up, you click on my renec. Log into my renec. When it come up like this, cancel this. You can sign in with your mail. Click on it like this. Now put your mail. Like this. You now click send. The mail will be sent to you. Now open it. This is the mail. Now click on log me in remitano. You have logged in already. It says you should verify your number. You scroll down to verify your number. You click on verify your number. You now put your phone number, your local phone number here. After you put your phone number, you click continue. When you click continue, a 4-digit code will be sent to that number that you put in. A 4-digit code will be sent to that number that you put in there. So you now put the 4-digit code number. You now put it at the box that will come up. After that one, you now click on continue. Your phone number will be verified immediately. Immediately your phone number verified, you now go back to your Google Play Store, your Play Store, to download the Remitano app. Go to your Google Play Store to download the Remitano app. Remitano. Type in Remitano buy and sell and security. You click on it. When it come up like this, you click on install. It's installing now. It's installing. It has installed. It has been installed. You now click on open. When it's open, you close this. You don't need this. You close it. Now it brings me down to where I can buy and sell. So you click on the menu, the 3 bar at the top left. You click on the 3 bar at the top left. You now see login. You click on login again. When you click on login, we now ask you to put your mail again. You put your mail. You now click send link. The link has been sent to your mail again. You now wait for you to receive the link. Now go back to your mail. Go to your mail again to check the link that has been sent to you. This is the link. You now click on it. You now click on log me in to Remitano. Log me in to Remitano. It has logged you in now. You now click on my renec. Since we've not, you now scroll down. You scroll down. You will see start mining. Since we are just use this one as an example, here you will see you are mining renec, but it will when this number that is counting down, the hour that is counting down finished, you will see log in to mine renec. Log in to mine renec. When it finishes, you see log in, start mining renec. You now click on it. That's how you will be clicking on it every 24 hours. You will be clicking on it every 24 hours. So that's how you'll be clicking on it. Apart from mining renec, this remitano exchange, you can do some other things. We have different coins in this place as well that you can mine, that you can buy and sell as well. Different types of coin that you can buy and sell. As you can see, this is buy and sell. If you want to buy, when it comes up, if you want to buy, this is Bitcoin. We have other coins on the platform. This is Bitcoin. If you want to buy, if you want to sell in Naira, in anything, you can buy in any currency. You can use it to buy. Depend on your currency. So you can use to buy. It's an exchange all over the world. There is no way you cannot use it all over the world. It's an exchange. It's because I'm in Nigeria. That's why you can see Naira here. But even though you are in America, you can see it. You can see we have different type of coin here that you can buy and sell. Different type of coin that you can buy and sell. If you come to your wallet, if you click on wallet, it's open. You see this is deposit of Bitcoin. Deposit, this is in Naira. This is Bitcoin. If you want to deposit, this is Tron. This is Ethereum. This is Bitcoin Cash. This is Litecoin. This is Ripple. This is Binance Coin. This is all, and every one of them have their own wallets. They have their wallet. So how can you deposit money into this platform? For you to deposit or withdraw, for you to deposit, you just go and click on deposits. You go and click on deposits. You see, this is what we call wallet ID. This is wallet ID. This is wallet IDs of Bitcoin, or of your Bitcoin on Remitano exchange. It's personal to you. Personal. It's your personal property. You can only share it with another person that wants to send money to you. If you want to copy this one, if you want to send this one to somebody, you can't write it. You will not write it. If you write it to that person, that's the end. If you send the money, the coin will not hit your wallet. But you just copy this one. Copy to clipboard. You click on it like this. It has copied already. You now go to either to you want to say the person that you want to send it to, maybe WhatsApp or Telegram. You just copy it. As you have copied it now, you just go to that. You just go, either you are going to Telegram or WhatsApp. Just come to that, the WhatsApp of that person. You now paste it there. Paste it there like this. You send it to him or her. That's all. That's it. Paste it. Send it to him or her. That's all. Come back. Let's come back to to the exchange again. You have sent it already, that's all. Maybe you want to withdraw as well. If you want to withdraw, you click on this. This is procedure to withdraw. Assuming that you have money that you want to withdraw from this platform and you want to withdraw back Bitcoin. This is where, like that one that we paste the other time, that person will send, you will put the wallet ID that you are sending it to. Maybe you have your wallet ID in another exchange. Maybe you have it, maybe you are sending it to Binance. You will go to Binance and copy your wallet ID. And you now come to paste it here, where you are sending it to. Have you seen it now? But you cannot use this one since this is the wallet ID of your deposit. This is your wallet IDs of your deposit. You cannot use it. But where you are sending it to, you will go and copy that wallet ID and you come and paste it here. The amount of Bitcoin you want to send, you put it here. Maybe you want to send Bitcoin that's worth 0.0023. This Bitcoin now you'll be talking of $200 or $200. You understand? So you can put it like this. So that's it. You just click submit. That's all. The money has gone to where you send it. So that's withdraw and deposit. That's withdraw and deposit for Bitcoin. That's the same way you will do the rest of your wallet. You will do it the same way. If it is Ethereum, any coin that you want to withdraw, that's the same way you will do it the same way. If you want to do your Ethereum, it's the same way. Deposit. When it come up, this is your wallet ID. You also copy it like I did the other time. You also copy it. So this is an exchange. It's renec, remitano exchange. What I want to say is that look at the list now. Look at this list of cryptocurrency. They have their list like that. What I want to say is that if all this coin has their own value, if they have their own value like this, and we are buying them with money, definitely when renec will be launched, it cannot be lesser. See, we have all this coin here now. When renec will be launched, it cannot be lesser than all this coin that we have here, because this is their platform. That's how BNB then, back then in 2019, it started gradually on their exchange. Today BNB is $500 plus. It's almost $500 plus dollar. So I advise everybody that care to know that mining of this coin is very, very important. Mining of this coin costs you nothing. Mining of this coin can really make you to have something in future, because assuming that you are opportunity to mine Bitcoin there, or to even buy it at 9 cents, maybe you buy just 100 units of Bitcoin. Do you know how much you will be talking of now? Let's come down to Binance as well. Binance coin. Assuming that you have opportunity to buy like 1,000 of it there, do you know how much you'll be talking now? Likewise, this Canada other coin, the mine today is $21. Assuming that you even mine like 2,000 coin there, do you know how much you'll be talking about now? So renec as well, it will be launched this year by the special grace of God. If those people are keen into it and they mine it, you will see that it will be a plus, a great plus to you. So as I've said before, that I will be doing different type of coin. I will also bring another one probably next week, another coin that you can mine freely. Apart from mining free coin, all this coin you can buy it and send it to your wallet here. You can send it to your wallet here. This is buying and selling. You can see buy and selling. If you send coin to your wallet, you can be trading it, and you will be making money. If you buy it if you buy the dip, say buy the dip and sell the bull. You understand me now? When it's going down, you buy it, and you watch. When it's going up, you sell. When others are fearful, you buy. When others they are greedy, you now sell because they will surely buy. So now you see almost all the coin in the market now, they are going down. They are in the bear time. So they are going down. Like Bitcoin today now fall dramatically from $42,000 down to 38. So it really goes down. So one can buy it now. Buy the dip and sell the high. So that's it. Keep on subscribing to my channel. I'll be bringing you different type of coin and telling you, giving you news about different type of coin that you can put your money in and those ones that you can get for free. Thank you very much.